Learn Welsh fast. English, have, with.
cael,
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, Creso, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For extras and transcripts, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master English, have, with Welsh.
cael,
And the natural possession patterns.
mae gen I, mae gen ti, mae ganddo fe, mae ganddi hi, mae ganddo fo, mae gennym ni, mae gyda chi, mae ganddyn nhw.
Buckle up, this will be quick, funny, and sticky like a toffee on your tongue. Forms at a glance. Let's map every English form once, then we'll play. Repeat after me for rhythm. Base idea. Have, get, do an event.
cael,
E.g., have lunch, equals.
cael cinio,
Closing parenthesis dot. I have.
mae gen I,
You have, singular.
mae gen ti,
He has.
mae ganddo fe,
She has.
mae ganddi hi,
It has.
mae ganddo fo,
We have.
mae gennym ni,
You have, plural, formal.
mae gyda chi,
They have.
mae ganddyn nhw.
English checklist spoken out loud. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, they have. Nailed it. Dialogue. Coffee shop chaos. Time for a funny scene. Listen first, then we'll unpack. You, I have the time today, coffee? You, proud whisper.
Mae gen I,
Amser head you. Friend, do you have a pen to write our order? You, yup.
mae gen ti,
Barrow, oh wait, that means you have it. Do I? Barista, gesturing to a poster, the cafe.
mae ganddo fo,
Wi-Fi and extra sockets. Another friend bursts in, relax.
mae gennym ni,
Dosanau discount. We have discount tickets. You, to your group, perfect.
mae gyda chi,
Why map, right? You have the map? Group, pointing at a couple, and yes.
mae ganddyn nhw.
Why said Orau, they have the best seat, next to the cake case. Narrator. Meanwhile, the donut? Of course she has it.
Mae ganddi hi,
Why donut Olaf? Classic. Mini drill. Echo after me. Say it out loud like a champ, short, clear echoes.
mae gen I,
Amser head you, I have time today.
mae gen ti,
Fawn Newid, you have a new phone.
mae ganddo fe,
Gar, he has a car.
mae ganddi hi,
Lifer, she has a book.
mae ganddo fo,
Fatras Newid, it has new batteries.
mae gennym ni,
Dosanau, we have tickets.
mae gyda chi,
Fap, you have a map.
mae ganddyn nhw.
Amser head you, they have time today. Event vibe with the base verb. We have lunch at noon.
Rydyn ni'n cael cinio am hanner dydd.
Culture and usage tip. Tiny grammar superpower incoming. In Welsh, simple ownership, I have a book uses patterns with gone, gen, Gita, like
Mae gen I.
lifer, but have as an experience or getting something uses.
Cael.
Have lunch.
Cael cinio.
Have help.
Cael help.
Think. I have own it equals.
Mae gen I.
I have coffee as in consume, get equals.
Cael coffi.
Your brain now has, sorry.
Mae ganddo fo.
A tidy Welsh drawer for have. Speed quiz. Rapid fire. Say the Welsh before I do. I have.
Mae gen I.
You have, singular.
Mae gen ti.
He has.
Mae ganddo fe.
She has.
Mae ganddi hi.
It has.
Mae ganddo fo.
We have.
Mae gennym ni.
You have, plural.
Mae gyda chi.
They have.
Mae ganddyn nhw.
Bonus. Base verb, have, get.
Cael.
Challenge. 2 truths and a snack. Make 2 true statements and 1 silly one, then swap the silly. Ready? Say, I have a pen.
Mae gen I.
Barrow. Say, we have tickets.
Mae gennym ni.
Dosa now. Say something silly like, it has wings.
Mae ganddo fo.
Adeneth. Now fix the silly line with reality, maybe they have the keys.
Mae ganddyn nhw.
Year already. Extra twist. Have a coffee experience.
Cael coffi.
She has the map, possession.
Mae ganddi hi.
Why map? Outro. You've got this. High five, your brain officially has Welsh patterns. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, they have, plus.
Cael.
For experiences. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Diolch and see you next time.